Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Dr. Freddy again of Freddy's Farm. So you're looking at a part of the Strathmore University sports field. Okay, so there's a plan that we're going to convert this into a demo farm. So I came here today to visit it, to see the site, and hopefully if the plan will push through, we're going to have a demo farm here. We're going to plant dragon fruit and other crops. Okay, so there's a small river there, small stream, maybe where we can get some water. Yeah, so this is owned by Strathmore University. This is the sports field. Okay, so it's huge. So that's the 360 view of this land, of this field. And the plan is to create a demo farm and a teaching farm on that site. I think it's approximately maybe 2 to 3 acres. Let us see what we can do in this place. So I'm supposed to meet with someone, with my colleague. Okay, but it's raining, so, and he's also stuck in a meeting. So just the same, I came here to just to visit the place. Right, it's a very beautiful place. It's greeny. Okay, it's green, and the bypass road is on that side, by the way. That is Mbagati Road. Okay, yeah, that's the railway there. So this is the exact location of that place. Alright, so I hope to give you more updates in the future. Right, by the way, I used to stay in that building many years ago, before I moved to the current house that I am renting right now. That's the first estate that I stayed also. Yeah, so this is a very wide sports field. Good, so thank you guys. Just giving you a peek, a preview of future plans. Alright, so this is Dr. Freddy again of Freddy's Farm. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Mungu awabariki.